Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll show you how to fix Fansly subscription issues. So if your subscription isn't working or you cannot access premium content, then just follow along. First, you need to make sure you're signed into the correct Fansly account. Next, check your account settings to confirm that your subscription is still active. And if your payment recently failed, then you need to update your payment method and complete the payment if prompted. Then refresh the Fansly app or website by closing and reopening it. And if you're using the mobile browser, then you need to clear your browser cache or try another browser to see if the issue persists. And you should also check whether the creator has changed the subscription tiers or removed certain contents. Finally, if the problem still continues, you need to contact Fansly support with your account details so they can investigate the issue. So that was how to fix Fansly subscription issues. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.